Oshkosh.
But we did save on the walk.
That turned out pretty good.
Big wall lane here. Ultralights are a different form of aviation, and so incorporating the operations at your airport is sometimes a little tricky, and we want to give you an opportunity to learn more about that as well. So another opportunity each and every day to learn a little bit more about the aircraft.
Definitely will.
So they want to rotate on the takeoff. So the push forward to make
You know what I think we must desire, if we make a lot of money out of it, is that
Be Mr. Haney, he does like all this different shit.
it's always great. Yeah, that's what he does, yeah. That wasn't a
just landing in 103. It is sure hard to beat. You know, sometimes we'll get that information. We want to know what's going ultralight, so a great chance to learn more about the ultralight form of flying. A few minutes from now at 10 a.m., Tim Bogenhagen will be putting on a session called Getting Started in Ultralight, so a great chance to learn more about the ultralight form.
It's one of those mobility things. I wonder what they charge.